And finally, guys, we're going to see the semi-batch. Semi-batch is a lot way more complex. That's why probably we only see 5% on the course. And includes continuous, which already we have, like, if not knowing like continuous and batch, like you don't understand continuous and you don't understand batch, that's why it's way much complex. But it's okay. I'm going to suppose you are masters in continuous processes and in batch processes, so you will be happy to get these more complex semi-batch problems. In general, I would say that accumulation it's always included, in general, but it depends because maybe you have like two sections. The first section is when you, I don't know, let's suppose you see a reactor, and you know when you start the reactor, you have this first phase where you fill it, but you don't have all the desired quantities. You don't have the conversion you want, you don't have the flow you want, the recycle you want, the product you want, because you're starting to operate that reactor. But once you start operating and you achieve the temperature, this is phase 1. You achieve the temperature, you achieve the pressure, you start getting the recycle, you start getting and achieving the product you want. You are now achieving phase 2, and phase 2 will be simply like a continuous process. Okay, I have a reactor, I turn that on. So these two phases is what the semi-batch is about. So as previously, you cannot know if inlet, outlet, production and consumption variables vary. So please do an analysis, please, guys. Which stuff goes in, which stuff goes out, what is the production, and of course, what is the consumption. All this will give you an equation of accumulation, and you can solve it. So I'm going to bring you an example right